Hey friends, so I did have good news today, but without wasting your time, let me take you to this website. As you can see here, these people have sent $2, $3, $11, $117, $53 from Priya, $27 from Juliana. So if you're currently facing financial difficulty right now, you can be having problems to pay rent, you can be having problems to pay for school fees and all that. I think this video is really going to be the best video for you. I've done a lot of videos on this channel, and most of the video that I've done on this channel, people are coming here and saying that I will help them in one way or another. But this video that you're watching right now, I think is really going to be the best video, because this website that I'm going to show you right now is a website that I didn't know 2 weeks ago. I just came to find out about this website last week. So I'm going to be completely honest with you. A few months ago, I was facing a very hard time. If you've been watching me on this channel, you know my journey. I've been sharing a lot of my stories on this channel. But I did want to say like how bad my situation was a few months ago. And I didn't have money to pay for my rent. I didn't have money to buy a lot of stuff. I needed a lot of stuff at the moment, but I tried here and there and I couldn't find any money. So I really understand how bad to be in that situation, that you cannot get such amount to buy some stuff or to pay for some stuff. So it's really hard to be broke, and that's the reason I've been trying my best to make sure that I find the best websites, the best platforms that can help you to get financial help. So this website that I'm going to show you today is really going to be a very amazing website, because I never knew before that this website existed. So I was really happy right after knowing about this website. So right now, let's go ahead and see how are you going to get financial help from this website. Alright, so it all happened the last week. I was on Instagram. I came across this post from this amazing creator who is called Zakaria. Zakaria is a very known person on Instagram and very trusted. A lot of people know about this person. So this person posted this video asking people like what is really going on their lives, and if they have any problems, Zakaria helped them by giving money. So Zakaria posted this video on Instagram and asked people to go ahead and click his link on his bio, then donate money to anyone who is facing financial difficulty. So I followed all these links that Zakaria posted, and as you can see, these are the links that Zakaria posted on his Instagram account. So I found out about this website, which is called Slingshot, and not a lot of people know about this website. I didn't know about this website, and you can see there are a lot of people who are using this website, and they're helping people who are facing financial difficulty. You can see a lot of people are donating money like crazy on this website. So I wanted to join on this website, and I thought maybe this is my only opportunity for me to get money on this platform as well. So you can see here, I looked out all the places and I didn't find this place which is written as sign up. So I went ahead and asked ChatGPT, like, how do I sign up on this platform? And this is what ChatGPT replied to me. It said that no creator sign up visible. So as a creator, you cannot go ahead directly and sign up on this platform. So I found the best way for you to go ahead and apply on this platform and start receiving money from different people around the world. This one is really going to blow out your mind. So you have to go to Instagram. Then you have to search this word, which is called slingshot.fm. This is official account that this platform has on Instagram, and as you can see, this page, it has over 2,000 followers, as you can see here. So what you have to do right now, you have to come on bio right here. Then you have to click this link that you see down on the bio here. Then this link will take you directly to this place. Then you have to click website. As you can see, I'm clicking here website. So right after that, they're going to ask you to fill in this form. So after you fill in this form, you'll be able to get accepted for you to start receiving money from this platform, for you to join on this platform. But first, you have to fill out this form, which takes very short time. So right here, they're going to ask you about your name, and I'm just gonna go ahead and write my name, Hans David, and my email down here. But also they're gonna ask you about your profile link. So before go ahead and start filling out this form, you need to understand that you must have a social media. It can be Instagram, it can be TikTok, it can be X, it can be Facebook. Any social media account that you have, you need to go ahead and copy that link that you have, then come down here, paste the link. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna choose my YouTube. I'm gonna choose my YouTube account, and I'm gonna copy this link. Then I'm coming down here, paste this link. So just by doing that, they're asking you now, like, how did you hear about this platform? And I'm just saying that through social media posts. So right after that, you're gonna go ahead and submit this form. So this is like the very easy form that you can answer all these questions, and after that you're gonna submit this form. So after submitting this form, you're gonna have to wait for their confirmation, like if they accept you to join on this platform. If you are accepted to join on this platform, within 24 hours you will be receiving an email that you're ready to start fundraising, you're ready to start donation on this platform. So the good thing about this platform is that, and what I really noticed is way different with the other companies from this platform, is that it really doesn't care about where you're coming from, because there are other platforms, there are too many limitations. Like you really cannot join from other platform if you're from Africa or if you're from Asia, but this platform allows you to join on the platform without limiting you, like where you coming from. So this is something that I really like about this platform. So if you're from Africa, if you're from Asia, you really have to go ahead and you have to apply just by filling out this form. Then you have to submit this form. Just wait for 24 hours. You can get your confirmation if you're accepted to join on this platform. So the other thing that I really like about this platform is that it's not about generating money for you. It's not about donating money only for yourself. You can go ahead and start donating money for your community or any person that you love. It can be your friend, it can be your family. So this platform is about you getting donation about the people you love, about yourself, about anything, about any project. So this is what I really like about this platform, and I will tell everything that happened to me with this platform, because I just joined on this platform today. So I'm gonna have to wait for 24 hours for me to get the confirmation if I'm allowed to join on the platform, and after that I will give you feedback. But I didn't want to say that everyone has his or her own lucky. So you really have to go ahead as well. Go ahead, try to fill out this form and see what's really going to happen to you. So the last thing that I want to say right now, I tried too many platforms, and if you've been watching my videos, you can see I tried too many platforms, and most of these platforms are not working, and some of these platforms it's really hard to get donation from these rich people. But after noticing and after realizing that this website exists, and you can see that there are a lot of people who are really getting money on this platform, so I really encourage you have to go ahead and join on this platform, and maybe your life is really going to change in a very, very good way. So the last thing that I want to say about this platform is that if you don't have any social media right now, if you don't have Facebook, you don't have Instagram or TikTok, I think you can just give yourself like 2 months, because this platform is not going anywhere, but it's still new for now. So you can decide to create your Facebook account or Instagram account, then you can start posting. I really encourage you posting videos about you sharing kindness to different people. So if you go ahead and join on this platform, it will be so easy for you to get accepted, because they see that you really love sharing kindness and you really love helping people here and there. So if you really don't have any social media for now, I think it's time for you to go ahead and create any social media. It can be TikTok or Instagram, and start posting videos, start posting content which are positive content. And after 2 months maybe, or after a month, if your account it has at least 1,000 followers or 2,000 followers, you can go ahead and start asking help from this platform. This platform is really trusted. As I showed you before, this person who is called Zakaria is very trusted person and is generating reasonable amount of money on this platform, is helping millions of people. So you really have to go ahead and join on this platform, apply to this form, submit, then you can wait for the confirmation. And I didn't want to say that may God bless you, and this I really hope that this is really going to work out for all of us. So thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I really hope to see you next time. Thank you.